That's definitely not normal.
It's my car. Something's wrong with my car.
The car's falling apart.
Oh my fucking god.
Was that window single? Use.
Brake lights out. Hey, what's up?
The problems just keep coming.
Hey, sister, do you have a mirror?
Oh yeah, just use mine.
It's not starting. Pop the hood.
That's the weirdest repair ever.
Funny horn time.
The tools are working overtime.
Hell yeah, brother.
Power windows.
It still works somehow?
Don't hate the player, hate the game. You know what I'm saying?
It gave it everything it had.
Hey, can I just get
You get your car warmed up and you gotta turn on the heater.